Viewers, welcome to another edition of the latest news of war. So, viewers, according to the news, the arrest of the police chief of the city of Debre Birhan because he refused to arrest the civilians who reside in the city and released those who were arrested without any charge other than being from Tigray. On the other hand, according to the sources, at least 9 people, including students and teachers, were killed, more than 17 others wounded, when a suicide car bomb blast rocks Somali capital Mogadishu. The terrorist Shababas claimed responsibility for the attack, saying it targeted AU peacekeepers. And it was a United Nations call to stop the fighting in Ethiopia and Washington. There is no military solution to the conflict. Viewers, on Wednesday, United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres called for an immediate halt to the fighting in Ethiopia and urged leaders there. In statements he made in Bogota, the capital of Colombia, to emulate the peace process in that country. Today, peace process in Colombia inspires me to make an urgent call to the supporters of the conflict in Ethiopia for an immediate and unconditional ceasefire. Guterres added in statement he made with Colombian President. Guterres visited Colombia to commemorate the 5-year anniversary of the peace agreement between the government and the leftist Revolutionary Armed Forces of Colombia. Guterres said that the cessation of hostilities in Ethiopia would allow for dialogue to take place between Ethiopians and allow the country to contribute once again to the stability of the region. I would very much like Colombia to be an example for leaders in Ethiopia, he added. The United States also warned Wednesday that there is no military solution to the conflict in Ethiopia, and that diplomacy is the first, last, and only option to stop the civil war in the African country. After the Ethiopian government announced that its President Abiy Ahmed went to the front to lead government forces in their fight against rebels from Tigray. We have seen reports that Prime Minister Abiy is today on the front line and high-ranking Ethiopian officials, parliamentary party and district leaders are as saying that they will join the Prime Minister on the front lines, a State Department spokesperson said. We urge all parties to refrain from hostile and exercise restraint, respect human rights, allow humanitarian access and protect civilians, he added. Ethiopian government media reported on Wednesday that Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed directed the war effort from the front lines and that Deputy Prime Minister Demek Mekonnen would take over the routine affairs of the government in his absence. A report published on the Fana News website said that government spokesman Legacy Tulu provided details of the transfer of responsibilities for some daily chores at a press conference. Whereas fighting continues between the Tigray People Liberation Forces and the Ethiopian army while the front in approaching the Ethiopian capital after controlling important areas near the capital of Tigray region. While officials in Addis Ababa confirmed during a meeting with diplomats that the security forces, which include groups of young people, are working to ensure the security of the capital. Anyways, I already informed you that in previous video, a news from Ethiopia has been reported that 6 of the leaders of TPLF who are leading the Tigray army. The Minister of Information who spoke to the media and said that the government had broken TPLF in the last 2 days. The government has not yet released the name of the TPLF leader who were killed. Heavy diplomats reported in Kasagita, Bati in Kanfarta province. Tigray coalition forces and Oromo Liberation Army captured the cities of Diglo and Mehel after they pushed away the Ethiopian and Amhara army. Meanwhile, Ethiopian National Defense Force and Kenfor forces are reported that they have seized areas near Bati city, while the Tigray Defense Force army is still under control of the city, which Ethiopian army is using air bombing. So, however, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.